Azerbaijan. The history of Azerbaijan is rich and complex, spanning thousands of years. Here's a concise overview of its history. Ancient history. The region that is now Azerbaijan has a history dating back to ancient times. It was inhabited by various tribes and cultures, including the Caspians, Medes, and Persians. Medieval period. By the 4th century AD, Azerbaijan came under the influence of the Sasanian Empire. During this period, the region's ties with Persia deepened, and Zoroastrianism was the dominant religion. Arab conquest. In the 7th century, the Arab Muslims conquered the region, introducing Islam and Arab culture. Azerbaijan became part of the Islamic Caliphate. Arrival of the Turks. The Turkic influence began to grow in the 11th century with the arrival of various Turkic tribes. The region experienced a mix of Persian and Turkic cultures. Seljuk Empire. Azerbaijan became a part of the Seljuk Empire in the 11th century. It was during this period that the region saw significant development in art, architecture, and literature. Mongol invasions. The 13th century brought the Mongol invasions, leading to devastation and the collapse of many cities. Later, various Turkic khanates emerged in the region. Safavid dynasty. In the 16th century, Azerbaijan came under the control of the Safavid Empire, leading to the conversion of the population to Twelver Shia Islam. The city of Tabriz became a prominent center of culture and trade. Russian Empire. In the early 19th century, parts of Azerbaijan were annexed by the Russian Empire. The 19th and early 20th centuries witnessed the rise of nationalist movements and the spread of oil extraction and processing. Formation of Azerbaijan Democratic Republic. Amid the turmoil of World War I and the Russian Revolution, Azerbaijan declared its independence from Russia in 1918, forming the Azerbaijan Democratic Republic.
Azerbaijan has been led by prominent political figures, notably Haydar Aliyev and his successor and son, Ilham Aliyev. Ilham Aliyev has served as president since 2003, overseeing the nation's development and navigating geopolitical challenges. Azerbaijan celebrates its National Day, also known as Republic Day, on May 28, commemorating the establishment of the Democratic Republic of Azerbaijan in 1918. It marks a pivotal moment in the nation's journey towards sovereignty and self-determination. The mugham, a form of classical music, holds a special place in Azerbaijani culture, with its soulful melodies and intricate rhythms captivating audiences worldwide. Azerbaijan boasts a rich literary tradition, with celebrated poets and writers like Nizami Ganjavi.
Azerbaijan gave the world geniuses that enriched the treasure trove of literature with rare pearls, such as Mahsati Ganjavi, Khagani Shirvani, Nasimi, Muhammad Fuzuli. Poetical work of the great master of verse, an outstanding thinker, Nizami Ganjavi stands out with its grandiosity and wisdom. In this regard, by the order of the President of the Republic of Azerbaijan, the year 2021 was announced as the Year of Nizami Ganjavi.
And Mirza Fatali Akundov contributing to its cultural legacy. Azerbaijani cuisine is a delectable fusion of flavors, drawing inspiration from the Caucasus, Middle East, and Central Asia. Signature dishes such as plov, pilaf, dolma, stuffed grape leaves, and kebabs showcase the diversity and richness of Azerbaijani culinary heritage. Azerbaijan's coastline along the Caspian Sea offers breathtaking vistas and recreational opportunities. From serene beaches to bustling seaside resorts, the Caspian coast is a popular destination for locals and tourists alike. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Gobustan National Park is home to ancient rock carvings, petroglyphs, and mud volcanoes. It provides a glimpse into Azerbaijan's prehistoric past and geological marvels. The Talish Mountains, located in the southern part of Azerbaijan, are a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. With lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and diverse wildlife, the Talish region offers ample opportunities for hiking, trekking, and ecotourism. As the capital city and cultural hub of Azerbaijan, Baku beckons travelers with its blend of modernity and history. From the medieval alleys of the old city, Ikara to the iconic flame towers, Baku's architectural marvels and cultural attractions captivate visitors. Nestled amidst the majestic Caucasus Mountains, Gabala is a popular tourist destination known for its scenic beauty and outdoor activities. From skiing and snowboarding in winter to hiking and paragliding in summer, Gabala offers year-round adventures for nature lovers. Renowned for its rich cultural heritage and architectural splendor, Sheki enchants visitors with its historic landmarks, including the magnificent Sheki Khan's Palace and the charming Old Town. The city's vibrant bazaars, traditional crafts, and culinary delights add to its allure. Azerbaijan is endowed with abundant reserves of oil and natural gas, making it a key player in the global energy market. The development of offshore oil fields in the Caspian Sea, along with strategic pipelines like the Baku-Tbilisi-Ceyhan (BTC) pipeline, has positioned Azerbaijan as a significant energy exporter. With its diverse attractions and growing appeal as a tourist destination, Azerbaijan offers promising opportunities in the hospitality industry, including hotel development, tour operators, and ecotourism ventures. As Azerbaijan invests in modernizing its infrastructure and urban landscape, there is a demand for construction projects, transportation networks, and smart city initiatives. Foreign investors and businesses can explore partnerships in these areas to capitalize on Azerbaijan's development agenda. Azerbaijan and Pakistan share warm and cordial relations, rooted in historical, cultural, and strategic bonds. Both nations have collaborated on various fronts, including diplomatic exchanges, defense cooperation, and cultural exchanges.